Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today I am here with a very interesting topic. Actually, when I had started this, so that time I was also troubling. So I searched from anywhere and I analyzed from PYQ, and from then that I am here and I want to share with you also, guys, that what we have to read in medieval history. As we all know, the role of medieval history in prelims. Alright, so today I am going to tell you what will be the important topic for uh, medieval history, and also which is the most important book for medieval history. Okay, look, you all have seen this is medieval history book by Satish Chandra. Alright, and this only the book is sufficient for your preparation. And if you want to strong your basic, then you can go through class 7 NCRT book. Alright, but if your basic is strong, then you can directly go through the Satish Chandra book. Alright, so in Satish Chandra book, as we all see that there is a lot of pages. How will we cover? So I am here to tell you how we have to read and what is the important topic from this book and from how we have to read. Alright, so let's start, guys. Look, firstly, with this book you can also use online mapping and all, and with this PYQ is also very important. Alright, so look here, I am going to tell you the syllabus what you have to read in medieval history. As we all know, there is a very vast syllabus in medieval history, so we will just divide the syllabus according to the date, so that we can easily able to understand. Alright, so first part is India and the world, northern India, age of three empires like Pratyaras, Rashtrakutas and Cholas and all you have to read. After the South India, the Cholas के बारे में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. After that, economic and social life, education and religious belief, 800 to 1200 AD. Alright, so this is our first part which we have to read. Alright, so after that, what we have to do, we have to go through the age of conflict, the Delhi Sultanate too, and economic and social life is also very important from Delhi Sultanate, so you have to go through this also. Alright, and after that you have to read the age of Vijayanagara Empire and the Bahmanidis and the coming of the Portuguese. This chapter is not much more important, but if you want to go through, if you have time, just go through. And after that, cultural development in India. Alright, and this is the basic. Struggle for empire in North India too, consolidation of the Mughal Empire, age of Akbar, the Deccan and the South India, India in the first half of the 7th century, economic and social life under the Mughals. With that, you can go through culture and religious development, and lastly you have to go through the 3 chapter. Alright, so as we all know, this is very vast syllabus, but we have to read all the chapter. Okay, so how will we focus? What will be the important point which we have to focus, because we can't able to read full book. Alright, so look here, you have to focus mainly few areas, like you have to focus in literature, art and painting of medieval history, Sufi Bhakti movement, ठीक है, special achievement, architecture, या most important battle of medieval history. It will be 10 most important battle. Okay, if I will make notes, then I will also share with you. A school of thought, philosophy and contemporaries, you just have to read, that's it. And rather than that, you don't need to go through much extra material. Alright, you just have to read this only, and just read this book many more times. You don't need to read many resources. You just need to read one book many times. Alright, one sources many times. So I hope guys you have understood what I mean to say. And still if you have any doubt, you just can ask me. And this video is just for beginners, those who are preparing for UPSC, who knows what we have to read. Alright, so this video I have made for beginners. Alright, but still if you have any doubt, just ask me in comment section. I will definitely reply you. And rather than that, I will share with you the medieval history syllabus uh, from shorts. Alright, so thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you.